Now we have created our first admin user, but we do not want that when a customer comes in and registers, they are given the rights of admin user. So we'll stop the application here and we are doing the role assignment right here. I will add an if condition here and I'll say if the user that has been logged in. Now here, this user will be the object when a user logs in. On that we can check if that user is in a row which is wc.admin row. What this means is an admin user has logged in. And they try to create a new user. If this is the scenario, only then we will allow them to create new admin user. Else, if anyone else tries to register a new user, we will assign them a role of customer. Now you might be thinking that if an admin user has logged in, how can they access the register page again? Do not worry about that right now. But with this in place, let's run the application again and try to register a new user. We'll go to register here. We'll use the same password, but we'll use customer@customer.com and register. Let me switch back to database to examine the roles. So in here, the first table I'll examine is the ASP.NET roles table. In here, you see admin is 555A. Then let's examine the ASP.NET users table. We have admin which ends in B33 and customer in E33. Let's examine the ASP.NET user roles. This is the table that binds it. What we should expect is admin with B33 should have the role of 555A. So we'll do select top 1000 and you see B33 has the role of 555A and E33, which is customer, has the different role. So you can see the association has been done with all these tables. That being said, if anyone now tries to register, they will be registered as customer. So how can an admin register a new customer? So for that, in content management, let me add a new link that admin can use to go back to the registration page. That being said, if a customer tries to go to that link and try to register, they won't be able to register admin user because right here we are checking that user must be an admin user. So what we'll do is let me go to underscore layout. And right here we have the links. I'll copy one of them, paste it after the divider. Now the page we want to go, if we go back here, let's log out and go to register. You can see it is inside identity, account and register. And this is not an MVC application. Identity here is an area. If you go here and if you see, we have something called as areas and then we have identity. Just like we have controllers, we can add areas in MVC as well. Areas will be the topmost level. Then we can have controllers and action. But in Razor Pages, we can also have area and then the page path. In Razor Pages, the path is basically how you see in folder structures. So after pages, you have account and then you have register. So if we go back, we have account and register. What we will do, let me copy account and register. And in order to navigate to that page, here we first need to define the area, which as we saw is identity. Then we do not have controller or action. What we have is ASP page. Because these are Razor Pages and that is inside account, we have the register page. And right here we can say create admin user. If we save this, if we go back, if we go to the home page, if we go to content management, now we see create admin user. If you go to admin user right now and try to create, it won't create an admin user because you are not logged in. Only if you are logged in as an admin user, you go there and create a new user, you should create a new admin user. You can play around with that and that should work as expected.